Guys, I'm back with another Halloween special video today. I'm glad to see you guys back on my channel and I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. So this video is all about the last minute Halloween decor and you can make this literally in 10 minutes or even less. So we are going to learn how to make this spider web today. Now I'm using 100% cotton yarn for making this, but I suggest you can make it in the glow in the dark yarn as well. Now I'm making this in a smaller size, but at the end of the video you'll get a rough idea of how to grow this in size. Everything that I'm using in this video is linked in the description box below. Also, if you like my video, please feel free to give me a super thanks as it helps us sustain our work and helps us keep providing you with the free content. Now let's go right on to the tutorial. So to begin with, we are going to first make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot or even the chain stitch, I have separate videos for the same and I'll be linking them in the description box below. Once we are done making a slip knot, we are going to start chaining and we are going to make 4 chains in total. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this is our chain 4 and we are going to make a slip stitch in the very first chain that we made. So we're going to insert a hook, yarn over, pull through that loop and yarn over and pull through the loop on a hook as well. So you can see that we have made a very tiny hole right over there. Now we are going to chain 4, 3 and 4. Now this chain 4 is going to be counted as our first double treble, and now we are going to chain 3 more. So in total we'll have 7 chains, and now we are going to wrap our yarn on the hook for 3 times. And we are going to insert our hook in that tiny little ring that we made. We are going to insert a hook, yarn over and pull through. So this is going to be our second double treble crochet. We are going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. This is how our double treble should look like. Now we are going to chain 3 for the chain 3 space, and again we are going to wrap the yarn on a hook thrice and again make a double treble. For that we are going to insert a hook in that tiny ring, yarn over, pull through, then we are going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, we're going to yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, and we're going to yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops as well. We are again going to chain 3 and I'm going to do this one more time with you guys. We're going to wrap the yarn around a hook thrice and we're going to insert a hook in that tiny ring and we'll yarn over and pull through. We are going to pull through 2 loops, 2 loops again, 2 loops and the remaining 2 loops as well. Now this is our row 1. Our row 1 is going to be made of 10 such double trebles. So the first chain 4 we counted, that is our first double treble, and 9 more. So I'm going to continue making these and I'll see you at the end of this row. Now here we are at the end of our row 1. We have made 9 such double trebles and we have also chained 3, and now we are going to insert a hook in the 4th chain, and we are going to yarn over and pull through the loop on a hook as well. Now we are going to chain 6 for our row 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this will be counted as our first treble, and we are going to chain 5 in between now. So in total we'll have 11 such chains. So now we are going to wrap the yarn around a hook 4 times, 3 and 4, and we are going to insert a hook in the next stitch that we had made, in the next double treble stitch, like on top of it. We are going to insert a hook, yarn over and pull through. Now we are going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, again the next 2 loops for the 4th time and for the 5th time. Now again we are going to chain 5, 3, 4 and 5, and we're going to wrap the yarn around a hook for 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we're going to insert a hook in the next stitch, on top of the next stitch, and we're going to yarn over and pull through. Now we'll again yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and for the 3rd time, for the 4th time and for the 5th time. So basically this is going to be our row 2. We are going to separate the stitches with chain 5, and we are going to make treble crochets all the way around. Again we'll wrap the yarn around a hook 4 times, and we're going to make the stitch on top of the next stitch. Again we are going to chain 5, and we're going to make another treble. So in our row 2 as well there are going to be 9 more trebles, so 10 stitches in all. So I guess you might have got the idea that you have to keep increasing the length of our stitch and also the chains in between our stitches. The last row it was 3 chains in between, this is 5 chains in between, and our next row is going to be 8 chains in between, and that's where I'm actually going to stop, but you guys can continue making more stitches, more rows. Now I'm just going to continue doing this, and I'll see you at the end of this row. Here we are at the end of our row 2, and I have also made the 5 chains in between, and now we're going to count 6 chains, and in the 6th chain we are going to make a slip stitch. So we'll insert a hook in the 6th chain and yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on a hook as well. So this completes our row 2, and this is how it should look like. Now I'm going to make one more row with you guys. For that, again, I am going to chain 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is how tall I want my stitch to be, and in between I'm going to chain 8, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now we are going to make another treble on top of the next stitch. For that, we are going to wrap our yarn on the hook 4 times, and we are going to insert a hook on top of the next stitch like this. We're going to yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, this is for the 3rd time, 4th time, and for the 5th time. Again, our row 3 is going to be same as our row 2. It's just that instead of the 5 chains in between the 2 stitches, we are going to make 8 chains in between. Now you can keep on increasing the rows. Like for the next row, if I would have done a next row, it would have been like 11 or 12 chains in between. It's not a hard or fast rule at all, but I would probably keep increasing my chains by 3. So my next row would have been maybe 11 chains, and then the next would have been 14 chains. But that's the beauty of this design, that you don't have to follow these strict rules. So instead of 8 chains, you can also make 9 chains in between the 2 stitches, and it will still not actually spoil the shape of your spider web. So I'm just going to continue making my 3rd row, and I'll see you at the end of this row. Now here we are at the end of our 3rd row. I've already made the 8 chains in between as well, and now we're going to count 6 chains, and in the 6th chain we are going to make a slip stitch. So we're making a slip stitch, and this completes my spider web, but you can go further as well. You can make as many rows as you like. So once done, our spider web should somewhat look like this. And now you just have to tie some strings onto it, and you are good to go. So you can tie as many strings as you want. You can tie it with 5 strings, stretching it from 5 sides or 3 sides or 4 sides. There are absolutely no rules for that. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!